Namaste friends, welcome to Purnima Vijay's kitchen. Today we will do the baby food powder or infant food powder. This powder is actually completely packed with the nutrients and it is completely balanced food also. Now we will see what all the ingredients we require for the preparation of the infant food powder. I have taken here 1 cup of wheat, 1 cup of finger millet or ragi, 1 cardamom, 4 black pepper, 4 almonds, 4 green peas, a small piece of nutmeg or jaikai and 10 green grams. Let us see briefly the properties of these ingredients and why I have chosen all these ingredients. This finger millet is completely packed with the high amount of fiber, proteins, calcium, amino acids, and it's very good for bone growth, muscle growth, etc. But only one thing it is little cool potent. So to balance that I have taken 1 cup of wheat. Next, cardamom and black pepper helps in digestion and it will prevent the formation of cough also for the infants. And as everybody knows, almond is very good for health. Green peas and green gram has a high amount of proteins and fiber, and nutmeg or jaikai helps in preventing the cough formation. That's why I have told this is completely packed or with the nutrients and it is completely balanced food for infants or babies. If the mother feels the milk is not sufficient for the baby, then this is the best alternative for the babies. And this food is completely stomach filling also. These ingredients are for making the baby food powder and these are the ingredients we require for making the baby food. That is, I have taken half teaspoon of candy sugar, half teaspoon of jaggery, half teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter, half a cup of milk, half a cup of water. This food we can prepare in 2 ways. I will show you in the further steps. The first step is wash all these ingredients and dry under the sun. I have taken it out. Now mix all these ingredients and make the fine powder out of this. This is the fine powder I have made it. Now as I have told, we can prepare in 2 ways. Add 1 teaspoon of powder in both the vessels. I will show you how to make in both ways. You can choose any one. For one vessel you put milk, for the other one you put the water. But both should be in the room temperature, it should not be hot. For the one you prepare with the milk, you add the candy sugar, don't add jaggery. And for one which you prepare with the water, you add the jaggery. Now before switch on the stove, completely mix the powder in the milk or water. There should not be any lumps. Now switch on the stove and simultaneously keep on stirring it. Don't leave your hand because there will be the lumps formation. Now you can see it started boiling. Now let it boil in a low flame for 5 minutes. Now the nutritious baby food or infant food is ready. This is the infant food powder. This is the food with water. This is the food with the milk. One with water we will be adding a half a teaspoon of. The consistency of this food should not be very thin. It should be quietly thick. This can be consumed by adults also, but you can add all the ingredients quite more quantities. Thank you friends.